Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm working for OGE. OGE is a company that transports gas using pipeline infrastructure throughout Germany. It is as big as the German Autobahn, as long as 12,000 kilometers. For this infrastructure, we have a lot of data. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. And this is where you come and play. We enjoy working with young and innovative startups like you, and to solve specific kinds of problems we are sometimes facing in different matters. Today, I will talk about a challenge, a very hot challenge, in which we need your help. I am talking about a data science problem that, on first sight, seems straightforward. We have two datasets and would like to link the contents of these datasets to each other. That is where the name of the challenge comes from, merge 2 to 1. So, what do I mean by merging? There might be two options. The first option is a single identifier we have in both datasets. It is the ordering number. You can imagine if we buy a piece of pipe, the ordering number is connected to all properties of this pipe. We find the ordering number in both datasets you will receive. However, the format of the ordering number and also the recognition of it is inconsistent. That means that we need a fuzzy way to match one number to the other and connect the datasets. Additionally, we also see that in many cases the ordering number itself will not work. That is why there might be another option, finding patterns in the data. Some parameters or parameter sets are unique in their combination. Plus, we have built our pipelines over the years in a sequence, one after another in a temporal dependency, which provides the kind of logic we see the potential in to merge information from our datasets. At this point, you will ask yourself, what data is this guy even talking about? Let me quickly explain in more detail which datasets you will receive when you work with us in this Merge 2 to 1 challenge. The first dataset is called the AI dataset. Wow, AI. This data is achieved by, you guess it, an artificial intelligence. And I can tell you it was not only one AI working on it, which is part of our brand new toolchain to digitalize material certificates. A material certificate contains very precious information for us, as the content describes the component of our pipeline system with its properties. A material certificate contains very precious information for us, as the content describes a component of our pipeline system with its properties. On the right side, you see the structure of the data we extract from that kind of document. We identify a document with its individual name, we track which object is described by this document, and then we link describing properties to it, like the design pressure, the diameter, material, or material yield strength. We need this information for the transformation of our pipelines to hydrogen as we enable the energy supply with hydrogen in the future. The second dataset is collected by hand from a written document, which is called Pipebook. This book describes the sequence of parts for all our pipelines and links object attributes and geoinformation to each other. This dataset contains the information where each component is in the landscape and in the sequence of pipes, and is also directly linked with the construction plans. You can identify the order number directly, or you can use the properties to find matching objects. Maybe you have any other idea to solve the problem, and I would not stop you. So, when we look on the status quo, we have two inconsistent and incomplete datasets. People are losing time and nerves with this every day and have to search manually. After you are done with this challenge, there will be one dataset which merges all information available and is saving people's time and money. Your startup will receive 15,000 euros budget for a project time of 3 months to understand the datasets and merge them as good as possible following a certain logic. If you find several problems for a match, narrow the options down and document it rather than leaving empty spots. In this time, we are available for you for technical feedback. Of course, you're not alone. OGE is looking forward to your application for the Merge 2 to 1 HoD challenge. Let's change to hydrogen and contribute to a sustainable future.